Program number 30. Write a program to create data series and calculate the cubes. Calculate the cubes of the series value. So whatever value you have taken, that one, what you will do? Find out cubes. So cubes means power of 3. Values power of 3. So first method, import pandas as PD. Then S30 equal to PD.series range functions. I am calling 1 to 11 because here has not mentioned how many values you will take. So I am taking 1 to 10. 11 will not accept because we are calling to the range. Range in the NumPy, what we can call arrange functions. Both will work same. And in the Python for loop. So now range functions. This one is optional. This print command directly we can call cubes of this series S30 because this series data we stored in S30. S30 asterisk symbols 2 times, then 3. Then it will display as a cubes. Second method, through the NumPy. NumPy whenever will call arrange functions will call np.arrange 1, 11. Then this NumPy will convert to the series, then afterwards in the print command we can call. We will see in the both the methods output. See, create a data series. This is the series value 1 to 10. Now cubes of the series 1, 8. This is 2 cubes, 3 cubes, 4 cubes, 5 cubes, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this is the also cubes value in the NumPy. This is cubes of the series in the pandas with the range function. This is arrange function. So this is the program number 30.